Hey, Chris Matthew from SkyNet.im. I have some great news for you. We support a new protocol on the SkyNet platform, like we do MQTT as well as a REST API and a WebSocket RPC style API. We now support CoAP. What's CoAP? The Constrained Application Protocol. It's another Internet of Things protocol, and like the REST API, it follows all the same methods and endpoints that we have and verbs that we have on the REST API, except it does it with very, very small constraints or overhead of messaging. So it's a pretty cool, interesting API. It runs over UDP. There's more on the Wikipedia page there, but I want to show you kind of how it works. So if you look at the SkyNet README file, you'll see right underneath the REST API, you'll see instructions on interacting with CoAP. And thanks to Matteo Collina's NPM module for CoAP, as well as his CoAP CLI, we're able to implement this pretty quickly with Michael Christensen's help and test using a real simple command line interface, kind of like this. So you call CoAP, and then you pass the verb, and then CoAP's the protocol, and you follow the same endpoints as our REST API, and you get responses back. So we've taken the opportunity of going to SkyNet.im, and below each curl example on the docs, we've added a CoAP example. So you can say, let me open my terminal here. So you can say, well, first of all, if you do npm install, actually on my box I have to do a sudo npm install coap-cli-g for global. That installs it. And then now you can do things like coap get coap SkyNet.im status. And there you go. You get the status, the response back. SkyNet's online. If you go back to the docs, you can kind of look through here and play with it and stuff, but you can look up a specific UUID, just as you would like on the REST APIs. Tell you any information about the device except the token. If you want to create a device, check this out. We can just post just like we do. So you notice the command coap post, and then instead of -d like you use on curl, use -p for payload. Pass it in whatever parameters you want, and then coap SkyNet devices. And there we go. We just created a new UUID and device that's a black drone on the SkyNet network. And if we wanted to delete it or change information, you could do that. But delete it works just like this. So we could say, put in, where's the token here? Here's the token. So let's say token equals, and then we say UUID here. There. So we just deleted the UUID that we just created using CoAP, the CoAP API. So it's very, very small APIs, small overhead from a messaging standpoint. Great for Internet of Things with low bandwidth in the field. And as you can see, you can do this with anything, any of the APIs. So we'll send a message out. There we go. Sent a message out using CoAP. So let us know if you have any feedback. I would love to know how you're using CoAP in the field. And now you can use SkyNet for your CoAP-powered devices, as well as your MQTT or WebSocket or REST API interactions. All right? Thanks a lot.